Thanks for joining. You start off by boiling milk. Once it cools down, you put your finger inside, count 5 seconds. When it burns at the 6th second, know it's ready. You pour your milk in a container, which you will be using to store your yogurt. After that, you get your separate glass. You get some milk from the container and put your yeast inside, or you can use old yogurt. Mix it in the glass, mix it well, like really well, then empty it back in the milk container. Stir very well using a wooden or a silicone spoon. Then after you stir properly, you have that blanket or that heavy type of cloth. You will need that to cover it up. Cover the lid and wrap it very well. Once you cover it, do you know this technique they used to use before to keep things warm? That's it. Keep it still in a place. I usually make it at night, since if I make it daytime, my kids will be moving it all around. This is it. The next day, it's all ready and done, but it needs to sit in the fridge for like 3 hours, so it becomes like it sucks that juice out. After some hours, it's all ready. Yeah, it's so creamy and better than the red one in the markets, let me tell you. My kids enjoy. You'll see at the end of the picture, she couldn't wait. She poked her finger inside to lick. It's so delicious, full of probiotics. I hope I pronounced that well. I hope you enjoyed. Leave your comments, and thanks a lot for your support. Bye.